Welcome, Gary. Congratulations.
First of all, I'd like to thank you, Diana, for recognizing the value of this program and you and your staff doing all the hard work that's required to change the policies and procedures to make this actually happen. And I also want to thank all the sitting council members and Mayor Gilmore for approving this program. I do feel it is a wonderful program. One of the things I really love about this program is that it does send a message to the workforce, and I am absolutely one of the lower parts of the workforce, but it did send a message to me and a lot of my coworkers, and I've talked to many of them since then that the city really does believe that they are hiring the best of the best out here, and promoting from within is always a great way to retain the knowledge of what's going on in the city, and the fact that the city is willing to invest in me and say that we believe in you enough that we're going to invest in you to further your career is just a wonderful thing. And so, like I said, I wanted to personally thank Deanna, thank all of you, the council members and the mayor, and I also wanted to thank Craig, the director of public works. He was the one that signed off on my application when I applied for this. One of the things that motivates me about this also is if you believe in me, that motivates me more to go out there and do a good job for you, so that I don't want you to look wrong because you believed in me. Yeah, it's just a wonderful program, and again, it's really given me a new energy for work at this point. Thank you.
Thank you. Gary, I agree with everything you said except for one thing. You said you are a lower part of our workforce here in Santa Clara, and that is anything but far from the truth. You're a very valuable member of our staff here in the city. And I want to thank you, and I want to thank Deanna for putting this together. This is life-changing for many of our employees, and the best thing we can do, as Gary said, was invest in our employees because they put out so much for our city. So thank you, Gary, for coming forward and for participating in the program, and for Deanna for putting it together and the council for supporting it. So thank you for that.